What's up, everybody? Model Airport Nation, and today I'm unboxing 4 brand new control towers for you guys from Tarmac Designs. So without further ado, guys, let's go ahead and get these unboxed. The future of Model Airport Nation is right here, guys. This is a hint to some of the new airports I'll be doing as well. So let's get right into the unboxing. Also, my affiliate link is in the description below. It really does help support me, guys, in the channel, and help support Andy at Tarmac Designs. So you guys can have awesome control towers, or even if you want your own custom terminal made, like he's got everything, guys. So go check him out. Link in bio. Let's get right into this unboxing. All right, guys. Getting the box open here, as we can see, we have the control towers nicely packed. Oh, look at that, guys. SFO. In honor of San Francisco, guys, I think we'll start with SFO here. All right, guys, I got the SFO unboxed here. Look how cool this is. 1 to 400 scale, guys. Also come in 1 to 400 and, or sorry, 1 to 200 and 1 to 500 scale. For those of you that don't know much about like 1 to 500 scale, 1 to 500 scale is even smaller, and then 1 to 200 scales even bigger. So that's your reference right there. Most planes are into 1 to 400 scale though, generically. Like I know, like Gemini jets, they only make 1 to 400 scale for their smallest, and 1 to 200 for the largest. But yeah, guys, amazing work by Andy at Tarmac Designs. Look at this. So happy to have this on my my San Francisco airport now, guys. Again, link in bio if you guys would like to purchase some towers. Also, I have a 5% off code down in the bio as well, guys. Let's get on to the next tower. Next up, we have Las Vegas International Airport, guys. Let's get it open. All right, here we have Las Vegas. I saved you guys some time and unboxed it for you. Now, again, this is 1 to 400 scale, so you can see in real life exactly how large Las Vegas Tower is compared to SFO. It's almost as tall as even as ATL's. So that's incredible. Obviously, Las Vegas is a large airport too. I'm surprised San Francisco is actually so small in real life too, guys. But so much details that goes into this, guys. Look at that. Like, this thing is really fragile, but scale. Look at that. But again, Tarmac Designs terminals and towers here, they're very durable. So, like, they're pretty durable, guys. Look at that. High quality printing, as you guys can see. But yeah, I will be doing all these airports. As you can see, I'm already doing SFO here. LAX, I keep wanting to say LAX, guys. Las Vegas here. I do have a terminal coming from Model Airport Network, Custom Airport Buildings. So I will be using that. And I'll be using a layover layout for that, guys. So that is going to be really cool. So again, guys, here you go. Let's get on to the next tower. Also, link in the bio, guys. If you guys want to purchase any towers here from Tarmac Designs, go check them out. They're also on Shop, the Shop app. They're out there. So link in bio, guys. Right, guys, you already know. Next up, we have Denver. Let's get it open. And just to show you how nicely packed these come, this is Denver's. It looks like it's pretty sturdy, obviously. I just want to say, like, SFO, they came wrapped like nicely like this. So they come really well packaged. This is kind of what it looks like unboxing it. Look at that, guys. Denver is definitely a very unique airport and control tower. With it, there's your Denver base. Look at that, guys. Super cool. We'll put SFO in the middle here. Just want to make sure I didn't miss anything. Probably going to save some of this stuff just for packing my airplanes and stuff. We have one more coming up next, guys. But take a look here. Oh, hold on here, guys. Table gets a teeny bit uneven right there, just because I have a couple tables going here. But look, oh, here we go. Look at that. Super cool. Like I said, we got one more to go. Let's look at that. It's got the blue going for the windows there too. Super cool, guys. Denver might be one of my favorite ones so far. Obviously, I like SFO too. I feel like everybody really remembers like the back part of SFO though. I know this is like the back side of it, but from some parts of the airport, this could be the front side. Super cool, guys. This thing looks like a sci-fi something. I don't know what, but it's definitely interesting looking. let's get on to the next one. Next up, we have MCO, of course, Orlando International Airport. My current home airport, so let's go ahead and get this open. This actually might be one of my favorite ones, too. And to show you guys what they come packaged like when it comes in this material versus the bubble wrap, as you can see, initially, really well done. And here is Orlando International Airport control tower here, guys. Let me go ahead and get the base out for it too here. This one's gonna have a pretty sizable base to it. 1 second, guys. All right, guys, here it is. Orlando International Airport, as you can see, about the same height as Las Vegas and Denver. So really, really tall control tower. Let me put this on the side here. Yeah, look at that, guys. Just take it all in. Here's a nice close-up of Orlando International Airport, with a little bit of Las Vegas in it. I fly out of Orlando a lot, so I can tell you that this is very accurate. Definitely an interesting looking control tower, but it's also a really cool looking control tower at the same time. And also, obviously, these are very accurate. So to see these like in person, like I've seen these control towers in person before, like I would say like Las Vegas and San Francisco, for example. But like actually having these as scale models, you actually really get to see like little details that you never like probably like realized. Like this is really edgy and long. I didn't know it was like that in real life. This has lots of detail to it too. This thing looks like a sci-fi movie, like I said. And then of course you have Denver. So super cool, guys. They're all very unique in their own way. But I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of these control towers from Tarmac Designs. Maybe you've seen them at some of the airliner collectible shows as well. Very nice people here, guys. Andy at Tarmac Designs. Go check them out. Link in bio here. 5% off of my code, guys. I'll leave that in the bio as well. But yeah, guys, just super awesome control towers here. Amazing work. Affiliate link in the bio here, guys. You guys can get your own. Also, they do custom terminals as well. And also, they do custom GSE as well. And I'll even throw this in here, like this ILS box here. This is from Tarmac Designs as well, guys. Link in bio to their site. High quality work. Also, you guys look on the wall over here. You guys can see I have MSP, Maui, and Honolulu control towers, as well as JFK. I do have Atlanta and LAX put away for some reason right now, but I'm going to get them out here and make a nice display of them, especially if the other ones I just purchased from Tarmac Designs. So stay tuned for that, guys. Here they are from the top, guys. I'd like to thank you guys again for watching today. Model Airport Nation here. Again, like I said, link in bio, guys. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Happy collecting.